Welcome to Vital Biology classes. For new updates, subscribe to the channel Vital Biology. The theme of our channel is Study Now, Be Proud Later. You can join our Vital Biology Telegram group and all the classes, notes, PDFs are available there. Link is provided below in description box. Hello everyone. This class is for all the KSET aspirants and it's also almost important for all the biology competitive exams. For example, like KCET, KSET. Why? Because KCET and NEET exams too. Why? Because it's just a basic class I'm taking for KSET aspirants, KSET students. Okay. So in the last class we have stopped till this animal cell, right? We stopped till the animal cell, right? So here we studied about nucleus, Golgi complex, vesicles, plasma membrane, where plasma membrane is also called as cell membrane. Okay, don't get confused when they ask some questions in KSET question paper. Okay, so plasma membrane also same and it's also called as cell membrane. Okay, and next we studied about the mitochondria, cytoskeleton, centrioles, lysosomes, cytoplasm, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and nucleolus. Okay, so in later classes or else in later slides, let us see some more deep information and function about these organelles. Okay, so let us move on to the next slide, that is plant cell. So in plant cell also, before I'll be taking the class, but just stop the video for few seconds and just think that for few seconds that which and all organelles you can remember. Okay, why? Because it's a basic class, right? So just stop the video for few seconds and just think of how many parts you can remember, how many organelles you know. Okay, so and then next continue the class, listen to the class. So yeah, so in plant cell, the first one in animal cell, as I told you, so here also the plant cell that consists of nucleus. So first one is nucleus that carries the genetic material. Okay, and second one, that is Golgi complex. So as I told you in the previous class itself, Golgi complex that secretes the some chemicals, proteins that secretes and transfers into the lysosomes and out of the cell with the help of vesicles. Okay, and that way means totally lysosomes Golgi complex function is just secreting some substances. Okay, and the third one is that vesicles. You can observe here the round particles, right? I'll just delete here. So you can observe here third one, round particles, that are the vesicles. This also I have explained in the previous class itself in the animal cell, that these vesicles that takes the waste particles or the unwanted particles out from the cell. Okay, so next fourth one, that is lysosomes. Lysosomes is also called as suicide bags. Why? Because sometimes if that particular lysosome is unwanted for the cell, then it just dies itself, means it just digests itself. Okay, so that it will die and it helps to other organelles, has like it spreads like a nutrients. Okay, nutrients are some minerals. Okay, and it also digests the other unwanted particles if it is present in the cell. Okay, and if there is any unfunctional organelles, it just takes and digests. Okay, that is the function for lysosomes, so only it is called as suicide bags itself. Okay, so next fifth is that like plasma membrane. You can observe here, this is a plasma membrane. Then you can ask that, then what is this, ma'am? What is this layer? So that is a cell wall. Okay, so first I'll tell that cell wall, that is eighth part. So this is cell wall, which is a very protective layer for all the plant cells. Okay, and as I told you in the previous class, that animal cells does not contains any cell wall. Okay, there the animal cells protective wall is that plasma membrane itself. there is no any cell wall. Okay, so here the protective layer is cell wall, but inside the cell wall the next layer is itself that plasma membrane. So it is also one of the very protective layer for the plant cell. Okay, and let us move on to the next, that is mitochondria. So here you can observe that this yellow color with orange color, that where the mitochondria also contains the outermost mitochondrial layer and innermost mitochondrial layer. So this is helpful for producing the ATPs, means that energy. Okay, so storage house of the cell, it's called as. Okay, and let us move on to the next, that is seventh one, chloroplast. So this is a chloroplast. It's also covered by two layers, that is outermost chloroplast layer and innermost layer. Okay, this chloroplast is very helpful in the photosynthesis in leaves. Okay, and next eighth part that I have already mentioned, that is cell wall. And let us move on to the ninth part, that is vacuole. Okay, vacuole is one of the fluid containing structure. It almost maintains up to 50% of the cell. The space in the cell, it needs up to 50 to 70%. Okay, up to 50 to 70% of space is needed for this vacuole. You can observe here itself, this stores the water in plant cell, and it needs almost space in the cell, maximum space in the cell. Okay, so next let us move on to the next part, that is 10th one. As I told you, in animal cell, here also it contains the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is 11th part, where smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no any ribosomes present on it, and it synthesizes the lipids. Okay, and rough endoplasmic contains the ribosomes, hence it is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. As I told you, this is a let us take this is endoplasmic reticulum, and it contains some ribosomes, so it is rough in structure. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it's just like a simple line that does not contains any ribosomes. Okay, so let us move on to the next part, that is 12th part. This also I have explained you already in the previous class, that is nucleolus. So nucleolus contains the genetic materials, that is DNA, protein, chromosomes. Okay, so this much about the plant cell. Thank you. All the class notes and other study materials provided in our Vital Biology Telegram group. Link is provided below in the description box. Like, share, subscribe and press on the bell button for the notification of newly updated classes.